So you want to get started with robotics, but you don't know what are the basic essential things you require for it. So first thing first, you require a workspace. Second is a basic computer. It could be laptop or desktop, whatever you want to use. Once you get this, get 5,000 rupees from your parents. Yes. Once you get the 5,000 rupees in your pocket, try to buy these things. First is Arduino kit. Arduino are very basic microcontroller. You need to get started with robotics. You definitely need the basic knowledge of this microcontrollers. This, get a sensor kit, because in order to get the external data like the temperature, pressure, humidity, and all those kind of extra data you want to get, you need sensor, and you need to know how to connect and what are the different protocol these sensors and different connections use. Third thing is the soldering station. This is very essential because in order to connect multiple wires or connect a circuit or build a circuit, you need a soldering iron. After that, get a glue gun in order to stick different components in your project. Then get multimeter. Multimeters are very essential instrument. You require to get different type of data like a DC voltage, current value, resistance value. Even there are high-end multimeter. If you have a good budget, you can go with those capacitance and those high quality and multifunctional multimeters. Then get a screwdriver set, because sometimes you require to adjust something or put a screw on something on some project. So get a screwdriver. After this, in order to start with a dynamic project or some mobile project, you need a basic actuator kind of thing. So you can start with a DC motor, and then you could go with the servo motor. Servo motors are very essential and they are very basic building blocks if you want to start with a robotic manipulator or robotic arm. So you can go with the servo motors. So next, for the powering system, you can go with a lithium-ion battery cell, and either you can go with the adapter or 12-volt adapter or 5-volt adapter based on your requirements of the power supply. Once you get this, and to build a circuit, you can go with the jumper wires and breadboards. So once you get everything in your desk, get started. Get started with a very basic project. It could be anything, line follower, and you can tinker with the multiple sensors over there. You can learn different protocol, how to use them, how to connect different sensors with Arduino, how can you manipulate servo motor, how can you manipulate DC motor with it. So you can do any sort of crazy thing. So all this depends on you. So get started with any project from YouTube or any other site you want to build. So this is for this video. See you on the next video. Till then, bye.